Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of are you doing very well. Children, today we will learn something new in our numeracy session. If you can you see that there is a picture on my screen? Yes, there is a girl. Let me take my brush. There's a girl and there's a doll and there's a robot. So why ma'am is showing this? Now can you tell me, are the girl, the doll and the robot are standing in same position? No, the girl is standing in between the doll and the robot. Yes, the girl is standing in between. गर्ल कहाँ खड़ी है? डॉल एंड रोबोट के बीच में, इन बिटवीन, राइट? एंड वेयर इज द डॉल? द डॉल इज स्टैंडिंग बिफोर द गर्ल. गर्ल के आगे डॉल है, राइट? एंड द रोबोट इज स्टैंडिंग आफ्टर द गर्ल. गर्ल के बाद में रोबोट है. इजंट इट? ध्यान से देखो. वेयर इज द गर्ल? द गर्ल इज इन बिटवीन डॉल एंड रोबोट. यस, बिटवीन मीन्स, देखो, इफ आई हैव 3 थिंग्स इन अ लाइन, एक ही लाइन में 3 चीज है, देन द मिडल वन, दोनों चीज के मिडल में जो है, दैट इज इन बिटवीन. सी हियर द गर्ल इज स्टैंडिंग इन बिटवीन डॉल एंड रोबोट. रोबोट एंड डॉल के बीच में, दैट मिडल में दैट गर्ल इज स्टैंडिंग, इट इज इन बिटवीन. नाउ बिफोर द गर्ल हु इज स्टैंडिंग, द डॉल. यस, जो डॉल है वो गर्ल के आगे खड़े हैं, बिफोर, राइट? सिमिलरली द रोबोट इज स्टैंडिंग आफ्टर. गर्ल के बाद में खड़े हैं, आफ्टर. टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट इन बिटवीन, आफ्टर एंड बिफोर. Yes, so let's see some picture. Okay, first I will take my brush, then we will discuss. See, here you can see 3 objects. What are they? Sun, tire, a wheel of the car and a kite, right? Now can you tell me where is the wheel of the car or the tire of the car? Can you tell me? Yes, let me take brush. It is in between of the sun and the kite. टायर कहाँ पे है? सन एंड काइट के बीच में. सो द टायर इज इन बिटवीन द सन एंड द काइट. लेट्स सी सम अनदर पिक्चर, चिल्ड्रन. See, here we have an umbrella, a water tank and a guitar. Can you see? Can you tell me where is the water tank? The water tank is in between an umbrella and a guitar. Sorry, this is violin. An umbrella and violin के बीच में है, in between. This is in between. Okay, let's see some more pictures. Yes, you can see there's a strawberry, newspaper and ball. So where is the newspaper? The newspaper is in between the strawberry and the ball. So children, in between means which is sitting or standing in middle of 2 things. हर जगह पे देखो न्यूज़पेपर के दोनों साइड में एक ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, वाटर टैंक के दोनों साइड में ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, टायर के दोनों साइड में ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, राइट. सो इन बिटवीन मीन्स which is have objects in both the side, okay, which has object in both the side. Now in between, now can you tell me where is the sun? sun कहाँ पे है? हमने तो टायर की पोजीशन के बारे में बात की. where is the sun? sun is before the tire. yes, before मतलब आगे. sun is before the tire. टायर के आगे sun है, right? before. now see in the next picture what was there? yes, where is the umbrella? the umbrella is before the water tank. before water tank के आगे है, before. understood? now let's see the next picture. where is the strawberry? the strawberry is just before the newspaper. before, आगे, before the newspaper. now in the starting picture I have told you about after. after means बाद में. after means बाद में. now tell me where is the kite? the kite is after the tire. kite is after the tire. let's see next picture. where is the violin? the violin is after the water tank. after, बाद में, right? when you see the picture what you can see? first you can see umbrella, then water tank, then violin. so the violin is after the tank. okay children. now the next picture, ball. where is the ball? the ball is after the newspaper. न्यूज़पेपर के आफ्टर बॉल को रखा गया है, राइट. सो टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट बिफोर, आफ्टर एंड बिटवीन. this concept. children, we use these three words every day for everything. keep this thing before that, keep your spoon before the bowl, keep two napkins, keep one spoon between two napkins. These words we are using every day, right? so why we are learning this? we can use the same thing in numbers. do you want to see? okay, before going to the numbers we will have a practice. let's see. you have just tell me which object is before the ball. which object is before the ball? बॉल के आगे कौन है? the cup and saucer, right? yes. now children, I am asking you answer. what is which object is there before the joker? where is the joker? he is the joker. before the joker which object is there? can you tell me? before ball. yes, ball is just before the joker. now let's see another picture. okay, can you name see three objects are there. one mouse, one flower and one bunny. can you tell me what is after the flower? this bunny. and can you tell me what is after the mouse? can you name the object which is after the mouse? flower. okay, after means बाद में. let's see. do you have a I have one another picture. here you can see a car, a cycle and a truck. so can you tell me what is in between the car and the truck? the cycle. yes, so today we have learned these three words: before, after and between. now everyone take your book. which book? Oxford Advantage Little Champs All About Me and open page number 32. To complete this page, we need our crayon box. So what we have to do? Let me read out the instruction. Color the shapes that is before the circle. Children, here so many shapes are there. Can you see? Square, then circle, triangle, rectangle. So what they are asking? They are asking to color the shape which one is before the circle. So this is the circle. Which shape is before the circle? Circle के आगे कौन है? Tell me. Yes, square. So you have to color this square. Children, take your crayons and whatever color you want, you can put in the square except black. Okay. Now next, circle the shapes that is after the oval. Now let's first mark the oval shape. What is the oval shape? This is our oval shape. So after oval, oval shape के after में कौन सी shape है? Let's see and we have to color that. This square. Yes, you have to color square here. Okay. Again, take your crayon box, take one color and fill this square. Now next they are asking which shapes comes in between the rectangle and the star. कौन सा shapes rectangle and star के बीच आता है? Can you tell me? First see where is rectangle? Here it is. Where is star? Here it is. Now tell me which shape is coming in between rectangle and star? Triangle. So what you have to do? You have to color this triangle. Children, as before also I told you, I am using virtual brush. So my coloring is not good, but you have to do it nicely. You have to color the objects nicely according to the instructions. Okay, using your crayons, no sketch pen, no other things. Okay, now children, we will move to next page, page number 33. Children, when you turn page number 32, you will see your sticker page. You just have to turn the sticker page, then you will get page number 33. Now, as I said, we can use before, after, between in our number system. Yes, children, whenever we say the number, whenever we start counting, if I say start counting from 1 to 10, so you will start. Let's do the counting once again. Everyone repeat along with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now children, are we saying the numbers at a time? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10? No, na. We are saying the number one by one. एक के बाद एक बोल रहे हैं. So when we are saying numbers, for example, when I am saying 1 2, so can you tell me after 1 which number I said? 2. So 2 is the after number of 1. Similarly, when I said 1 2 3, so can you tell me which number I said between 1 and 3? I say 2. So 2 is the between number of 1 and 3. Now I start counting 1 2 3 4 5. Now children, can you tell me which number I said before 5? 4. So 4 is the before number of 5. See, we can use these three words in our numbers also. So here we will write the number as per instruction. First they are asked, write the numbers that comes after. Now see, after number we have to say. The first number is 1. So which number comes after 1? 2. You have to write 2 in that rectangle. Ma'am is writing, so it is coming out. It doesn't mean you can also write. You have to write the numbers in the rectangle. Okay. Which number comes after 5? 6. Which number comes after 8? 9. Now I will take another color. Write the number that comes before. So 2. Which number comes before? 2. 2 से पहले कौन आता है? 1. Very good. Which number comes before 4? 3. And who comes before 8? 7. Now we have done after number, before number. Now what we will do? Between number. 1 and 3. Which number comes in between? 2. 4 and 6. 5. Children, I am telling again, when you will write number, you will write in the box. Okay? So, today we have learned three new words: before, after and between. We use this word in our daily life every time we are talking. But now we use these three words in our number system. We are going to use these words in our numbers, and we are going to write numbers. So children, after watching this video, first complete page number 32. Complete the coloring, and then page number 33. Okay. Now take your color box and complete the coloring. Then keep that and take a pencil and complete the page number 33. Okay. Till then, bye.